The silence. The warmth of the sun kissing our skin. Only the sound of our laughter and nature around. In front of us, stretches of unspoiled countryside as far as the eye can see. Looks like a paradise made just for us. Ancient traditions still pulsing at the rhythm of old dances. Simple, authentic flavors and the warm welcome of the Italy we love. Valli Grandi. I can't wait to go back.